Recommendations to become a top affiliate and earn money online. If you want to be a top affiliate, there are important things that you should know before begin promoting an affiliate program. If you follow these recommendations, you will save time and money on the steps to enrichment. 1. The first and very important thing that you have to do is to create a memorable domain name for your website, since this will be essential to branding yourself on the web. 2. According to some experts, you must also build a relationship by capturing email address for a free article or opt-in newsletter, or maybe giving a free gift. The idea behind is to promote affiliate programs by emails. 3. The third thing you have to do, and is one of the best ways for promotion, consists in writing articles for e-zines and newsletters with your resource box at the bottom of articles. 4. The fourth thing you have to do is to maintain your website on a daily basis. The main thing is to generate a lot of contents and information, but useful and related to your website, through articles and interviews, among others. 5. If you want to offer products, just choose a few good ones and concentrate your energies on selling them, otherwise you will spend a lot of time and will not earn what you expected. 6. You should never use the ad headlines provided by the affiliate program, because all the other affiliates may use it. What is a terrible mistake? Therefore, write your own profit-producing ad copy and headlines. 7. You should reinvest all of your profits to market your business in the first months, doing the most that you can automatizing your website, the better.
If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to Tips Make Money channel. Also, please like, share and comment on our videos. We really appreciate it. Thanks. Thanks very much for watching.